Let's do it. Too much money, need long pockets. I push the weight like I'm exercising. VA1 diamonds, a pool party. Feel on the wrist of my garment. Smoking that shit like I'm Bob Marley. Rockstar like I'm Ed Hardy. Hood rich.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I'm going to start off with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face, like pretty much normal. It's going to be my primer. And I'm going to go in with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. And this is in Amande. And I'm going to start like highlighting. So I really like this technique. I use a small little stippling brush. This is from Dress Up Brushes. And I just like go underneath my eyes. Basically all the highlighted areas. So your eyes, your nose, your mouth, around your mouth, and like on your forehead. And for this, I don't know, I just really like how it looks. I forgot how much I love this concealer because, you know, we go through like so many products so fast. So I revisited it and it's so bomb. Like, I loved it so much. But just blend it out. And I know it's kind of weird to do this before foundation, but I've been liking it because it looks more natural because you don't have like foundation then concealer. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about when I get to it. But yeah, just blend it all out. And yeah. And thanks for the new subscribers. Like, oh my gosh, I see you guys subscribing and I'm like, oh my god, finally it's like working. So yeah, thanks for new subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, you can comment down below. And yeah, I would love to talk to you guys. And like, also like follow me on Instagram if you do, because I love talking to you guys. And then the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And this one is in Espresso, I believe. This is like the second one to the darkest one. And yeah, I just apply this and I use the Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just going to stipple this into my skin. And as you can see, like already it just looks more natural, you know what I'm saying? Like it's not so like cakey. It's like a, I don't know, my highlight and contour routine is what I call it. And don't you just love the feeling like when you just wash all your brushes? Like this was a brand new brush. It just feels so much better. Your makeup looks better. And then I'll use this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. And you know the drill with this. Basically just apply this to the highlighted areas to set them in place. And I'm using this Real Techniques brush. See, like all my brushes are clean, you guys. I'm just like, it feels so much better when you have clean brushes. But yeah, once you use it, then it's like back to dirty. So it's kind of like annoying, but. Also comment things that you guys want to see. I have this new curly hair. This is like the hair I know people are going to ask me when I post this video. It's from Kendra's Boutique, and this is a Eunice frontal. So I used to have like the orange Kendra's Boutique hair, and then I dyed it back black. So yeah. And I'll give all the details because the next video I'll post is like my curly hair routine. So yeah, just stick out for that. And I also might post a video like how I style like curly hair. So if you want to see that, then just subscribe, like, and comment so I can know what you guys want to see. Next, I'm going to apply this deep foundation. I think it's a concealer. I'm not sure. It's like a Stila Duo, and it's in deep. So I use the darkest color to contour, and I'm using this brush. I believe this is one of the Target brand brushes. And I'm just going to sculpt out my face. So my nose, right like on my cupid's bow, right under my lips, and like my jawline and my cheekbones and around my forehead. So when you're doing this, like I like to, as you can see, I'm going up a little more. And when you have a frontal, I kind of blend in like the frontal part and the forehead, just so you know you won't see no lines of demarcation. And then I blend it out. I know blending out can be like satisfying to some people, but I feel like it gets repetitive, so I speeded it up. So I just wanted to keep it in. Just let me know if you like to see the blending process, because I'm just blending it out with a Real Technique sponge and just blend it out until you like see no more lines, and you know it's like to your satisfaction. And I kind of blend out everything so messily because I'll just go back and clean up with a little bit more powder, like my nose. It gets really irritating, so I just go back right now and I'm just cleaning it up with the Laura Mercier powder. And then right after that, just wipe it away. It's like super simple. I'm going in with the Anastasia contour kit, and this is medium to tan, I think. And I'm just gonna apply that shade into my crease, basically kind of all over, like pretty messily. And this is a Morphe brush. I don't remember. I think it's a 501 brush. And yeah, this is pretty messily. It's like pretty similar to how my eyelids already look, so it's not very much of a difference, but just a little bit of color. And then right underneath, because I just really like how this looks. When you apply lashes, it makes more of a depth. You can really tell a difference in pictures. So yeah. And sorry I have to do voiceovers. I kind of don't like voiceovers, but my roommate was in the room at the time, so you know, yeah. And then I'm using this Fenty Beauty. This is in, I think, Hustler Baby. On the right side is the Hustler Baby. Yeah, the highlighter side is Hustler Baby. Gosh. And then I'm going to apply this right to all of my highlighted areas. And I just really like this highlighter because it looks really nice in pictures, but in person it kind of looks chunky. So you might want to, you know, apply oil over top of it or put it in combination with other ones. It can like come across a little ashy. But it's pretty. It's really pretty. Like, especially in like golden hour, it's beautiful. I'm telling you right now. And this brush is from Morphe brushes too. I really don't remember the number, but I use it all the time. In my other videos, I probably mentioned the number. And I really do like to glow, so I apply highlighter like almost everywhere. But yeah, a lot on my cheekbones, and then a little bit on my nose and stuff, because that kind of like already gets like pretty oily. And now I'm quickly filling in my eyebrows, and I use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette in a dark brown shade to do it. You can really see like the dark brown, like the tints and stuff. Usually you can't, but since my hair is like, I dyed it jet black, you can see now. I just wanted to include this in because, yeah, it's kind of part of like my face routine. But I might film an eyebrow tutorial soon. But this is kind of what I usually do, and I just use that same concealer to clean up my eyebrows and just blend it out with this. This is a Morphe brush too. It comes in a set, so it doesn't really have a number. And I'm not really good with my eyebrows. Like, they look different almost every day. I just don't know how to like keep them the same. I don't know. It's pretty hard. But yeah, because I don't get my eyebrows like waxed, threaded, or anything. I probably should, but like there's a lot of hair there, but they're pretty sparse still in some areas. So I don't know. And then I'm gonna use this Anastasia brow gel. I've been loving this lately too, because it just gives you that, like, I don't know, like your eyebrows like hairy look kind of. So yeah, I really like them. And it doesn't really add any color. It's clear, so yeah, it just keeps them in place all day basically. And if you don't have this, I heard you can use hairspray too, so you can try that. And next I applied some eyelashes off of camera. These are AliExpress eyelashes, the ones I always use. And now I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty, same highlighter, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corner. Just give that pop awake look. Eyelashes make such a big difference. Like, I love eyelash extensions, but like it's really hard to sleep in for me, so I might like consider doing them, because you can just get up and go, you know. So yeah. And now I'm applying some mascara, and this is a MAC extended lash, I think extended Giga Lash, something like that, mascara, and applying to my bottom and my top lashes to blend in the lashes with the false lashes with my real lashes. And I'm now applying this LA Girl eyeliner, and it's a medium brown, to my lips. And then I'm going to apply some $1 lip gloss from the beauty supply store. It's the NK one. And finish off with, like, I love the little glittery like gloss look, but I don't have one, so I just used the same highlighter and I just dabbed it a little bit on my lips, and yeah, I kind of got the same look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media links. They'll be down below. And yeah, I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.